Okay, so this is my recap for Thursday. I'm doing on Friday because I forgot to do it yesterday. I didn't trade today, which is Friday. As you know, I didn't have time. Yesterday I did trade though. I I hopped on the charts to see if there were any good setups I could take. Um, I done my analysis and I found shorts on gold. I was looking for shorts. Well, no, my bias was shorts because we had this huge move up after Asia session, and usually when that happens, I'm looking for a range to form, like we did, as a sweep of the range, and then a continuation lower, reversal lower, and we did get that. Here we made this range. During New York Open, we then swept the range. We confirmed the reversal as we had a very aggressive move to the downside. As you see, it made it left some fair value gaps. However, the move didn't make a new low, which usually isn't. If that happens and everything else looks good, then that's fine. I will still stay in that position. I won't de-risk. However, we ended up making a higher high and also inversing the fair value gaps we made. So at that point I should have gone out. This was bad trading on my part. Due to also I wasn't paying attention because I was still doing a bit of revision. And yeah, I ended up getting stopped out. So really I should have exited this position as well, probably on this candle close when we inverse the fair value gaps we made and formed a new high. Yeah, not much to say. If I saw that and I kept trading until here, then I think I would have considered shorts here. However, I don't think I would have been entered because I would have probably had my entry on this candle and price didn't reach back to it. But yeah, not too much today that I could have done. I mean, there is this, but again, I would have just missed my entry here. There was also potential longs on S&P and Nasdaq. Well, Nasdaq more than S&P, as Nasdaq was more bullish. Here on S&P, we manipulate the London highs as we did on Nasdaq. However, we didn't. We did get a reaction from that to the downside. However, we did sweep all of these equal lows on S&P. Didn't do that on Nasdaq. Nasdaq is therefore much more bullish. We then got an aggressive move up. We invest this fair value gap, and as well as that, we made a new high from this right here. So I wouldn't have entered this because price moved too much. I would have entered this on Nasdaq. So if you look here, this happened at 1435. If we go to 1435, that's here. So my entry would have been here and stop loss above these lows, below the lows, and then not too much I could have targeted really. I mean, possibly the standard deviations, but yeah, 0.75 are. Yeah, the price just rallied, so there wouldn't have really been a point in taking this trade. Yeah, this would have just been FOMO, so yeah, overall I think on the week I'm down. I mean, I can check right now. I haven't checked yet. So this was Thursday. Alright, yeah. So break even on Tuesday. Yeah, down 1 RR today. Well, this week. So not terrible. I definitely could have prevented the loss if I stuck to my rules. So yeah, that's about it. I'll definitely stick to my rules better next week.